Hey everyone, this is Zach from ChargeLab again, and we are here in Las Vegas with David Rehimi, Director of Business Development at Wallbox. And we are here for CES 2025. It's been a great show so far, getting to one of the last days. I'd love, David, for you to introduce Wallbox, one of the world's leading EV charger manufacturers. You're a big part of the business development effort here in North America. So tell us about Wallbox.
Yeah, that's right. Wallbox is a global EV charging company based out of Barcelona originally. We've recently expanded our footprint into the North American market. We have manufacturing here in-house in North America with our Arlington manufacturing facility. Globally, Wallbox has this great footprint of over 1 million chargers in over 120 countries, which really allows us to be on the forefront of what's coming next in this industry, having been in the space for so long and collecting all the data from the work that we've done in countries all across the globe.
And so in terms of products, you've got everything from single family all the way to super fast DC chargers. So give us an overview. What's the lineup look like?
Yeah, well, being that Wallbox is a company that's focused on just EV charging, right? We want to be able to meet the needs of all of our customers. And some of those customers are utilities and large entities that have varied needs when it comes to EV charging. And so we do our best to meet all of those needs. We have an AC lineup ranging from 40 to 80 amps. That is currently, our level 2 offering, and then we also have a DC product portfolio as well, which includes our 180 kilowatt DC charger, which is a true dual port, so 90 through each port. And the beauty of our product and our platform is that we're able to kind of fit in within whatever application or scenario you might have, whether that's integrating via API, via SDK, via OCPP, as we do with ChargeLab, being able to pre-commission those products and point them to those software backends coming off of our production line in Arlington. It really makes for a great value proposition in the EV space, with so many players in this market not focusing on solely electric vehicle charging and causing that for those business units to not be as successful compared to Wallbox, which all we do is live and breathe EV charging.
Totally EV charging company.
Yeah.
And like you said, OCPP, fully open and interoperable. So in Europe, you've got some great software solutions that actually Wallbox develops. Here in North America, we've partnered, fully integrated the full Wallbox suite with ChargeLab so we can deploy in a public charging setting, multifamily, fleets, for load balancing, pricing, all through ChargeLab. But you guys are fully open, so you can work with other softwares in North America, other softwares globally, and really just addressing as many customer use cases as possible.
Yeah, that's right. For example, we work with a lot of the major utilities and a lot of the DERMS and demand response providers to help allow for residential charging to have less strain on the grid. We even have a bi-directional charger that's hitting the North American market this year.
Quasar.
Yeah, Quasars. Everyone's super excited for this product just because of the potential that it unlocks, right? So many people think that EV chargers are going to be this strain on the grid and it's going to cause a lot of problems in terms of the electrical grid.
But they can also be an asset because you can put
asset.
energy from the vehicle back into the grid when you need it.
When the grid needs it the most, right? Where otherwise you'd be having brownouts or blackouts or firing up super expensive peaker plants, right? That allows you to be a bit more intelligent in terms of the energy distribution.
And you mentioned Wallbox is totally focused on EV charging. For a lot of people, it's an add-on business. You guys are actually publicly traded. So one of the few EV charging companies in North America that's traded on the stock exchange.
That's right, yeah, and solely focused on EV charging, right? So we've all seen some of the volatility that's happening in this space. I think being focused on EV charging is one of those principles that helps incubate you from that volatility, just being able to have that longevity and foresight into the market long term, but also obviously financial security is really important. We're still majority owned by some of our founders, and so we really stay true to our vision at Wallbox, and like I said, do whatever we can to make sure that our products and our solutions are future-proof for this market.
Now, personally, David, you've been in EV charging before Wallbox.
That's right.
And so as you look at 2025, like what's most exciting this year for EV charging overall?
Yeah, you know what? I think we've all felt a bit of an economic pinch over the last couple of years, right? Every single one of our customer bases has faced this, and so it's affected our organizations as well. I think that's really the only thing that's holding EV charging back, because at this point, we have the software, we have the technology. It's just about going out there and educating the market and implementing it, which educating is expensive, and then implementing it means people have to pay for it, so that's also expensive. So we're hoping that the economy improves a little bit, people start opening their purse strings a little bit, and start adopting more of this super innovative technology that's great for the environment and great for the future.
Cool. Well, I mean, it's been great partnering with Wallbox so far. I'm glad we could connect here in Las Vegas. A ton of cool things to see at this show, and it's great to keep working with you. You've been really a pioneer on the business development side, getting EV charging solutions into the hands of people who really need it.
Thanks. Yeah, anytime you need me to come out to Vegas, happy to come enjoy it.
Awesome. Thanks, David.
Pleasure working with you as always, Zach.